Today I'll be sharing a seed therapy for cold and cough. As per sujok, this area corresponds to our lungs. So, see, this complete area represents our lungs. This complete is the lungs in both the hands. These are our two lungs. This is our throat, and this you can see this a little raised part in your this thumb. You can see the raised part. This is your nose. Okay, this is your nose in both the hands. This is your nose, this is your lungs. So what we need to do, I'm seeing telling you in the left hand, same you have to do in the right hand. We need to cover. First we need to massage this. You can use your hand to massage this, or if you have a jimmy or a probe, you can use that jimmy or a probe. You can use this kind of a jimmy instrument. You can massage this area, and for good results you can put both your hands and you can do a good massage like this, or either you can use your hand or a pen, or these kind of instruments are there which you can use like this. So we need to massage this nicely, and then we'll put, see, I took a doctor's tape, paper tape, and in that I had sprinkled the black pepper seeds. So this is available in the medical store, and black pepper is in everybody's kitchen. So you need to take it and put it under your lungs correspondence area. It could be messy, you feel quite messy, but that treatment is very effective, and you need to apply it overnight for 3 to 4 days, 7 to 8 hours, and you need to press it continuously. After an hour or a gap of half an hour, you need to press it. This we had covered our lungs area, and now as we can see that the clove represents our nose. So clove is very effective in any cold and cough, and it also represents our nose correspondence, so it is very effective for any nose problems. So if you have a running nose and cold and cough, you just apply, and within few minutes you will see that your running nose has been stopped. So this is the treatment. You need to apply this thing in both your hands.